Alright everybody, today we've got a like new 2023 BOBCAT T66 R series. Got a 72-inch bucket up front, bob attach, hydraulic quick attach. Got your standard flow front auxiliaries with a front electric hookup, LED lights. Does have the optional weight kit in the rear. That weight kit enables it to pick up 2,450 pounds. 9,000 pound operating weight. It does have the optional wide track option on it, 16-inch tracks. Cabin air, 8-inch touchscreen display, Bluetooth radio, air ride seat. It's got the full glass cab. See, there's your glass on the bottom, you can see out of it. Y'all, if you want a nearly new machine without the new price, right here it is. Radio works, AC works flawless.
Steve Brewer serving it up with Sam Hunt.
Radios. Excuse me, y'all.
So much going on in this town.
Got all your attachment options. Got your flow on your windshield wipers. If y'all are in the market for a T66 and you don't want to pay that $70-something price tag at BOBCAT, and you want a pretty well new machine, right here you go. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee is where this machine is located. Or you can check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. As always, we appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us.